Good morning, Haeundae Beach, Busan. This time around, me and my friend Tae, we're taking a bus from Haeundae Beach to Haedong Yonggungsa Temple. This is the first time I'm taking public transportation by bus in Korea. And these buses, they don't arrive late, they don't arrive early, but they arrive right on the dot. Alright, here we made it to the entrance of the temple, and we have a little bit of a walk to get in. It's very quaint and quiet out here. We got a lot of vendors selling desserts, snacks, skewers, little trinkets and gifts.
Bunny, dragon, serpent, horse, lamb, monkey, chicken. Dog.
Yeah.
And then we have pig.
Check this colorful space out. Check out this lovely view. To Korea.
Bamboo.
This is just me and Tae kicking it back, watching the sunset, just talking, having a beer together before we get dinner, just enjoying our time. Alright, we made it to a new restaurant. This time we're checking out a sashimi place, and this is way out of my comfort zone, but they convinced me to go out here. Apparently Busan is known for this stuff.
Oh, crazy. What? So I learned something like
At this point I'm high-key freaking out, but all of this looks pretty good. Check this squid out, it's moving.
You fuck with these?
Never had that yet.
Soy sauce, marinated.
Soy sauce. It's actually super healthy for you to eat raw. Really.
Yeah.
Raw foods are way healthy, especially raw vegetables.
Because
Say hello.
How are you doing? I probably butchered it.
你好，你
你好吗？
Say what's up.
What's good?
你好，
你好.
你好，你好吗？是新路名字。
Start saying anything.
I don't even know.
Check out Busan real quick.
Before. But it's an evidence. This is shit. It's an evidence. So here's a conspiracy. Oh, the temple's right. We wanted to do that, yeah.
Oh, that's like in a group.
Yeah, this level here, I met these 5 guys from the Navy. We were having a time.
Run away fast as you can. Johnny, let's go.
Let's go.
How do you say hello in Uzbekistan? How do you say hello?
Huh? No, I was just taking a video of the stuff.
Video, no.
Me? Guess what?
Where do you think she's from? Really? Really?
Yeah.
Where do you think he's from? Russia. Oh. Bigger than Russia. How do you say hello in Uzbeki? Oh, you guys speak Arabic. Oh, assalamu alaikum, brother. I'm from America. I'm from Philly. I'm from Philadelphia. My friend here, he's also from same place. We're from Philly.
A lot.
Say what's up.
What's up?
Yo.
Brandon Cameron.
Let's go.
Busan.
Busan, top tier, number 1.
Busan is number 1.